Students, welcome to the fourth session of chapter 15 Reaching the Age of Adolescence of class 8th of subject Science. Topic for today is reproductive health. Students, you already know that adolescence is a time of increased growth and development of the body. During this time, a greater need for nutrients coincides with a change in food habits. These in turn influence the nutritional needs. The physical and mental well being of an individual is regarded as an individual's health. And to keep the body healthy, every human beings need to have a balanced diet and he or she should observe personal hygiene and undertake adequate physical exercise. Students, now we will study about the requirement for the reproductive health of adolescents one by one. Number one is nutritional needs of the adolescents. Poor nutrition in adolescence can have adverse health consequences in adulthood. Obesity and excessive fat intake increases the likelihood of being an overweight adult. This can put the individual at risk of cardiovascular diseases, this means diseases related to heart and other health problems. Consuming cold drinks and canned fruit juices instead of milk at this time of rapid growth and bone building may lead to osteoporosis and bone fracture, means weak bones during the old age, means bones can be broken frequently. A diet heavily dependent on fast food results in decreased energy, excess fat, and a deficiency of calcium, riboflavin, vitamin A, folic acid, and fiber. A balanced and healthy diet during adolescence promotes proper growth and overall maturity. Calcium and iron are both needed for growth. Vitamin D, which is needed to enable the body to absorb calcium, is often deficient if the diet contains no milk. You already know that calcium is required for healthy bones and teeth. If we will not take vitamin D, then calcium will not be absorbed by the body and it can stick to your arteries. And once a girl has started menstruating, her need for iron increases. Calcium, magnesium, boron, vitamin D and K, zinc, copper, manganese are all needed to build strong and healthy bones. For this purpose, phosphorus is also required, but it is unlikely to be lacking in the diet. Failure to build healthy bones may increase the risk of osteoporosis in later life. Zinc, manganese, chromium, and selenium are often low in the diet of teenagers as they tend to eat too much of refined carbohydrate, that is white flour or maida, and sugar. Vitamin C can be deficient if sufficient fresh fruits and vegetables are not consumed. So, students, you are adolescent, you are your age is the age of puberty. So what you have to take, you have to take balanced diet that contains fresh fruits and vegetables, milk, pulses, and these are the food that is required for proper growth, and that is also required for your health. If you are having a good health, then only you can concentrate on your studies. And these food, they are not only helpful for growth, but they also are important for the growth of your hairs or nails or your glow of your skin. So you should take balanced diet that is rich in fruits and vegetables. You have not need to take costly food. You can take seasonal fruits which are rich in different vitamins and minerals. Next essential thing that is required for the reproductive health is personal hygiene. It is just you have to remain yourself or you have to keep yourself clean. It includes many practices like taking bath or brushing your teeth or using proper soap, and it is also related to care of your eyes and ears, and proper grooming means wearing proper clean clothes or combing your hairs properly, and you have to follow these things regularly. Both girls and boys need to be aware of hygienic measures that promote personal hygiene. To avoid infections, girls should take special care of cleanliness during menstruation. So, this personal hygiene, this will prevent you from different diseases, as the these if you will not follow cleanliness, then germs, they can grow on your body and they can cause infection, and you can suffer from many infectious diseases. So you should take care of your personal hygiene. Next important thing for reproductive health is physical exercise. Just like food, physical activity or exercise is a daily requirement. Scientific evidence indicate that walking, jogging, running and playing games stimulate the growth processes and keeps the individual fit. Exercise also helps in better digestion of food and more efficient elimination of waste or toxins from the body in the form of sweat. It also improves blood circulation and increase the respiratory efficiency of lungs. During exercise, you breathe fastly and this increases the respiratory efficiency of lungs, and when you do exercise, then your heartbeat increases and that improves your blood circulation. Physical activity also combats the stress and strain of adolescence. Whenever you have stress of studies or something else, whenever you go for playing or you do physical exercise, then what happen? You you uh, you don't remember your those stress and strains, and you feel stress free. Say no to drugs. It is very important, students, that is for you special. Your age is very tender age, adolescent age. Whenever students, they have bad company and they have peer pressure on them to experiment with drugs like alcohol and tobacco, what happens? They have become addict of these things, and this increases the risk of using other drugs later. So other causes of experimenting these drugs include to pose like an adult. Whenever you see adults around you using these things, students, they also feel to use or to experiment with these drugs. These reasons may lead adolescents to smoke or take drugs and alcohol. But these habits, they cause adverse effect on the health. So students, please keep away from the drugs. The harmful effects of these drugs are that the person can lose his or her self confidence or also lose control over themselves. So always keep away from these drugs and also educate people around you who are addict of drugs about the harmful effects of drugs, and you should join the campaign say no to drugs and guide the people. That is very important, and that is very important, students. You should never experiment with the drugs. Students, now here are the questions, and you have to write answers of these questions in your rough notebook. Question number 1: mention the importance of balanced diet in adolescents. Question number 2: write the harmful effects of using drugs. Question number 3: give advantages of physical exercise. That's all for today, students. Thank you and have a nice day.